make a highlight for this. So how to take out the oil filter. This is the replacement, and of course you need an oil pan there, and ready for this. We need to open the drain plug. You need to open that one. So to open that one, so as you can see, we need to open this uh, drain plug, and the oil filter is there. Hope you can see that. So this is very easy. You need to just open this, put it, break it, and just push it down like that. Just put it down and then open it. So, going to get the other. Let's drain the oil. How to change oil in the Aggo oil filter, and this is the drain plug. Yeah, okay, break it, and then let's do this. Nice, so perfect. That's how you drain. I'll secure the drain plug where it's clear, and then wait for that to drain. One year.